When I made pork like this, everyone asked me for the recipe. I have a 1 kilo piece of pork here. I'm going to start by slicing it like this. Once the meat is all sliced, we'll put the pork fillets next to each other here on this meat board. Then cover with a plastic bag. I'm going to take a meat pounder and pound our pork fillets. Once that's done, we'll season with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Then turn the pork fillets over and season the other side. In the same way with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. I have 3 potatoes here and I'm going to cut them into slices of that thickness. Once you finish slicing the potatoes, transfer them to a bowl and season. Add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of paprika, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Then stir well to add these seasonings to the potatoes. Once this is done, set it aside. Next, I'm going to cut 2 onions into slices of the same thickness. Now for the assembly part. Take 2 barbecue sticks and we'll start by putting a slice of potato on each one. Once that's done, we'll add a slice of pork fillet here on the barbecue sticks. Also add 2 slices of onion, then a slice of bacon. And look how simple and easy this assembly is. And let's continue interspersing the layers. Here with the potatoes, the pork fillet again, the onions, and bacon, and so on until the whole barbecue stick is filled. At this point, we lay down our barbecue stick to make it even easier to assemble. Now let's get ready to bake. Cover a baking sheet with aluminum foil. It has to be a very large piece because we're going to fold the foil over. Now place our stuffed pork here in the tin and add the rest of the leftover potatoes. Now let's fold the aluminum foil and close our pork. Put it in the oven to bake at 200 degrees for an hour. And in the meantime, let's prepare a very special sauce. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of honey, and let's mix very well. Now our sauce is ready. And the oven time is over too. Let's remove the aluminum foil. Then pour our sauce over the pork. Once we've coated all the meat with the sauce, we'll bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Look how delicious it is. Now just serve it up. Now let's remove it from the barbecue stick. And look how perfect it is. This pork really is delicious. It was a huge hit here at home. I'll make this recipe at home too, because everyone will love it. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.